tick, touch, 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 touch.
Good.
Oh, Ricky, Ricky.
Right, one reverse.
That bloody rock there.
Don't trust him over there on his own.
Well, luckily you can only take so much back on that bike.
You did shut the top of Rick's toolbox.
Yeah.
I think I did make that a bit too narrow, that goes. Can you touch a gate? I want to put a one down.
Just a free one.
Come on, this is the one.
What, on every gate?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's alright.
No, this is going to be a touch like that.
Touch then.
Yeah.
Balls that one up royally.
There's a touch.
Come on, mate. Nice. Two touching gates.
Two toes. Keep going.
Oh, that's the dirt, wasn't it?
Yeah.
But you've got to watch on that one, it is the dirt.
Fucking, yeah?
Yeah,
You sure?
If you get around here, Joe, you can see that.
What are you looking at though?
Yeah, you looking at my skirt? Oh god, I said skirt, didn't I?
Yeah, what are you wearing?
Cool. It's the tyres, you see. I've got the same ones.
You ain't got them.
I have. They're on it. Maybe them new ones, isn't it?
No way the Lux is getting up there.
Not with all that fishing gear in the back.
It's got one hook.
No! Slipping,
Oh.
setting.
Hold it up.
Yeah.
I'm hungry.
Put this narrow ball down.
You?
Yeah, I know.
I said no, do it easy for him. No, you said do it hard. So yours will bottom out on that screw.
Yeah, but he's going to take off up there, coming up there. He's going
Yeah,
to so far,
floor
he's going to leap.
He probably will.
Don't forget, make use of that wing. It's on
Them £130 shirts.
No,
Knock off then, is it?
no, I've ordered it a couple of years ago when I went up to Silverstone.
When you've touched the gate, by the way, it's completely dead. You can touch it again, run it over.
That's brilliant, isn't that, Jack?
I don't even think you'll get this far, bro. It's a sweet piece. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Here.
Touch.
Flash.
The waiting point is yellow.
That's right.
Touch.
Thanks.
No, we want to go and get some more water.
Yeah, I know. I didn't ask if you was okay or not.
Clear.
That's face.
It's competitive mode now.
Doing well as well.
Yeah.
Put some more water down. Yeah, that's what mine started doing.
More power.
That was roll, not reverse.
Not everyone's like you, just throttle it. Hey. It's the old Oncho tyres, see?
See, you don't need the winch, you see.
But it's got a clearance.
That's the one thing, those tyres are very, very good. Come on, Mr. Drew.
Oh, you missed it, said.
108 apparently.
Look at you rubbing out already. Take it over, grass. Oh, no.
What have we done there?
You could jump it off the end of the log.
Huh? Clear. Annoyingly.
By the way, filming it, you can't post it in the scale section. Oh, that fashion. Gates there, mate.
Oh no.
I know, the reverse.
Is that my free one?
Yep. Oh. Oh, touch.
Has it got a problem?
I think I've got a glitch.
Can't touch it, it's 5 points.
You're not really revelling in this, are you?
Oh yeah, just a bit.
Yeah. You seem to sleep.
Go on, Julius, get it on film, boy.
I'm hoping erosion's going to be the job for him. Was it a rollback or reverse?
Power's good. Right down there.
So bad not rolling over.
Oh. He just wanted that gate.
That's one reverse.
And reverse.
Oh no!
That was free reverse.
Go.
Outside the tape. Well, I can safely say it's another shit that you've made.
No, it's not. Doing well, look.
Why you submit it, your Alex is better.
Not reversing though.